Ewe o manga de hye da mo nyina ase emamo aba reba brabo fapem po dwumadi so mani tua de da dwumadi ne fapem nyina ne se ebebo a okrate asefo biara wotunu ho asi wo so be ma no kware trodo ne odokan afa no mu akwani asa horo nyina ra so bedin de fapem pon na no kwase me wo mi se ye wo enipa ebinum a won botai ne se obenya sika ene wo binum so a won botai ne se wo beye ene pa ebema awontu atiaso pepedo man komanya won abrabọ so mfaso pa ewo won wu achi nyinara na opanyin anne ye ne ba ba twetwe nkomo odwumadi so yi eye opanyin a mankasa me ne nananto ache kakra ametumede men sensi mebo akase enye sika na emma ninya eleje wa abrabọ na emum eye nsunsa so pa horo wa efi na abrabọ a inya ewo awontu atiaso ahoro so eni na eni jode na ni aka echi na do so ma ade hye yetwa ye ho ba ye ne eye asona de sepon okuapeman de sepon wachiman kuman ankasa won de sepon obum niba people opanyin Daniel Owusu Kranten na reba betwetwe ko
aye ku anasa ye feldi aye don anasa ye yaw aye wu anasa ye kwa
ewe o manga de hye ye ma wakwaba ye ne opanyin Daniel Owusu Kranten na ehia ewo abrabọ fapem po dwumadi so nnedua yi na opanyin Daniel Owusu Kranten se okọ eye obum ene ekuapem ekropon a oye efiako asona ebusua panyin makra ema aba sama monyo wada wuruma eka opanyin Kwadwo Owusu Kranten a one hena na ojira ho mane
yo me was say they would can me yo ni mapa ma me papa ni we can see me yo ni a me ba kesu
ofi krongo
na me ya so na shi yo ko boso me ya fi akon ebusua no ebusua pe
traka ben na da asona ekropon asona ene ekropon krona nkasa
o asrafo say they would asrafo any other shi wo ekopon na say they abakosem no ekire no ni fiche bi na continue ba na yekuwie yeboa ma wo nipa ni na kabo ye kuapim na kabo ye
mamba na ujira ho mane
obijina ho ma say yo so ni asa bi ye shi so de wodi titopa na quality asa de opportunity ni ufa brim ni na ba fu ka chi so bibi aka say yo dishi na obofu ye ni pe bia wo do won ho osan ji won ho di wa kuduru mu bia wa kuduru say won abakasam no ye wo ko na bai wo ba ti we bi bia on basis ultimately so in no bia asabe dance with the better but ti sabagwa na ade interesting no say wako ye osofu kan papa yo bumi papa sa ko ye osofu nti bi obum titi no ne asofu din ne presbyterian titi no na kabuwa e ma oye pa sabi na ma obi em say tutu adamu so pe on pe de ma basa na bia na korre na so abu de ato
na wachire mu Wabusua no betuma san akyerɛ mu kakra fa ɛyɛ sɛbe wawofo
Yo, mama de receive. The interesting thing is that mommy and papa we nyano no worry.
awofo baako ma.
No, what from first cousins. Nyano
Ma.
no worry. If you are able. Na sign wo say the kind of kunya dinti ma waro so be ya between we ya line to
Nanansa suban.
eti me ma me e me aunt na papa me uncle eti ebu bi wa e pekoko a the same place mama the same place mama the same place eti sala ko na me papa nipa oye din because he's a very fair person na odi hu na mama nso mama ni edin
Very good figure.
na mama ye no so boy ni edin mama ni edin di na me kan say the normal circumstances no he is just papa but what it na makwa say na combine the two characters.
Then oka wo mo frase a ema wo eni je pa wa ba mo.
Never simply me can't be say na my favorite toy a torchlight. She said I don't know for some reason let me pay the torchlight. Uber said put your foot to the back of a torchlight. She said it became a joke. People were joking with it. Say, I want to say, me pet can as a toy. I did a papa.
Torch bearer.
You know, people so be careful to advise a train from a toy next time. Torchlight. People were making fun of it. But I think say maybe it's a bit mean. There's a mini say say people to an amu year but then can for for
Bia o.
yeah.
Ene kan ye kura ne ba ko. Ne to se bi se ma odi.
That where I have to. Musical, that where I have to. But the piggy the craft funny. Let me tell you, because the man is here. I mean, the price of insurance. That I did not call. Can't say, how I dream. Oh, yeah. Papa, that, I can't see. Too quick. What of fear, brain, we were looking forward to his coming. That was about 9 years. I mean, maybe very fear call. Now, your one, mammy, in the coy. Don't know me said that way. Our calling then, we share a bomb pie to find potato. You that near him, they said, more bit of him, Philip. Mammy, back, no, him. And what I was packing, my a bob or maybe I'm of news. What is me? There's it. Then, go for fierce bags of fuel. And then, whom says, Papa, and no, it's a son, never be or dog, a point to be a. It was easy. But I knew is that my end crown, we did it. She never be.
But man, I check.
Dear, the artist, Papa Win, let me say, what you yes. It's be a cool. Now, and mammy, ya, she will be said, say, about a different school. Now, and mammy, ya, Tima strong. Because Obi can say, come to the Obi can say, the watch you love, just. Same na nsɛm no yɛatwerɛ me mebo no bɛka sɛ biography
Autobiography.
na we started 5 years ago 2015 book no twerɛ bɛyɛ na wotwa abien atwa mu yi a na wotwa atwa mu yi a no ɛtumi yɛ book a sesɛ no print.
It is a
A friend of paying my debt. So me, I mean, you be no. Sometimes we are there. We say, then now, come on inside the association. If you say, I can't be brave, should never be brave, a boy, and summer to do it. I mean, you be a kind of meet you. Of course, I can't, the car was a good chair. I need to be chair. I can be. Na edu baabi no so mehyɛ bɔ sɛ Yakobɔ boa oninya betumi kɔ school du akyire a minim diri nyinaa de bɛbɔ yi
sese
nti no Yakobɔ ama mahyia de akɔkyire kakra
sɛ woka sɛ paying my debt na wohyɛ bɔ a bɛbɛ sɛ wokyerɛ ade pɔtee a esi at what point in time and I was share someone, then the man will share someone, whatever.
ne ɔmo ne sɛ me pass secondary school ɛwɔ Kwagu Bɔn so school so ba nti me call interview no me yɛ ade wɔ family immediately wɔ family nti ɔwɔ me prospectus ɔfa bi hwɛ prospectus no me hwɛ nneɛma a yɛ sɛ yɛtotɔ ɛne school fees no ɛwɔ anam status bi so
And I know when you
no ɛne sɛ menim sɛ ɛnyɛ possible sɛ maame business card nti me su fee before the show, I'll be seeing Goko. Now, me take care of now. Go bisa say, na I don't know. The more we say, the more we say. If we do Goko now, we come back. We know. What till secondary school be war? What anything Goko training college? What now? What the aye? Secondary school. Mama name na anti-call. A call. You do na headmaster. Gentleman be. Some when I teach. This over here Methodist of Pong. Reverend when I teach. No jam, school no junction. Mama started say, you can say, straight away, we gave. Now, only, Obonibia, Ofi UK. How I, what you must you say, of Boa Africa school, now, Obonibia 28 years, Peter John Moss. The John Moss was not a teacher in English, was in French. And was actually English and Kasa. Now, one day, the early teachers, one dedication, said, or quite of fashion, Chay Adi, Tito Yen. Or no, yet, say, how do you call it, career, the counselor or something. It's your friend that will be something. Then I'm present here. I'm catching this very journalist. No, catching this. Journalism, a noble profession, very, very noble profession. But on person by journalists. That besides that, because if you say what can kind, you might be truly now can kind. Now we were very strong position on societal issues. Very strong position at that time. No, me say me a journalist, me could jail because government mean you over terminating me. But the thing is, the man I'm thrown at that time. Because, yes, but then you know me sign a journalist. My thrown him out. This is a government. What me do? And see, I should continue writing, but be a journalist. I go prison. But he doesn't deny that journalism is a very noble profession. But he has read the things that and it's true. I wanted to be a journalist to write to to bring up some issues. Be in trouble. I was me at that time. I was very clear. Because of the things that let me cheat, sisi kura.
nti dan na wobɛka de abɛsi ɛyɛ nneɛma a wode si w'ani so sɛ wobɛma mmabunu ntetewee ada wo
Say, in fact, Taba me was school. Na old lady, I want to say, old lady, very poor woman. In Tibet, when that time. Now, anytime be a poor school, beba, men auntie about 5 kilometers, beba fee. You are a private journey, you know, no about this. I've been married,
ɔbɔ adware
about Jerry. And then, I went from, could you, Baba, what did he? So that time, indeed. Not the farmer, not the man can yes, as it does. Not the MI3 Echimakum. No, prefer to cry. Is he? We be school. We could come and leave the cracker bear because I'm catching woman. Fee. I will be another horse of the say, not as I said, more one day that we should. Crime first. My mother has. At least to demonstrate some. So, no year, Maniso. Now, I do, baby, no, my year. Nam, Kakra. And see, I want, let me perceive a quiet beer, a sumbo, oh, the beer sumbo power. Now, the other course of catching this. No more than I can more than that. Oh, see my call. Then one Christmas, and I'm here, my dream say, so I bring a day when Biaso of the coffee. I was preparing. So that when you read December, and now we see a young, you know, tea area. We see on that. Oh, we say be a so not out today. But I had a bad news say that we hear the coup. I've learned a big lesson. Say, oh, be a men train say, no, but you do something very big. I wanted to go in the Grand Star, but and at the time I'm person be yes I don't. You
what the end to China dan pɔtee menim sɛ wotua school fees ma nkurɔfo bɛbɛ sɛ mehu ade pɔtee biribi si nti na wohyɛ saa bɔ ne sɛ wobɛtu ho asi hɔ anaa sɛ general experience binom kɛkɛ nti
we can't not answer. That's how was some beer no not ocean crack. There was another man, a Bunkas also sir. Now one baby if you school by no never be in there. No come to me. You could mamma garden be if you in Gemma could garden. Then I started fear seeking reason. Now the coupon that a man quite man of the wood for us to go through hardships. I was just never be bringing them meeting. So I was why did my father understand? An example of wood them. It's that we go through hardship. And see, and do baby. Then I had a feeling say a question has been posed to me. So we have beside the question say in your education, then I'll do it. In your education, then I responded to me education, I don't know. And immediately I felt say, I feel I'm in Tikombi. And from that point, I saw say, maybe a bit sham. It's a benefit enough. Now it be I'm sure people will say, nobody here in the compass. Say, let me be a say what Nti wiase so I mean say what TV asase a so TV asase nti a wo ha. I don't think say Yakobon bobo egu ha without any reason. Me strong, me gidi pa ne say Yakobon wo nti a. Say one go me anto America. Bobo me to.
Raba no so.
Na o ma me die bi. Nti I'm sure bobo say pay my debt with the car. With the not a car, with 20. With a lot of people car. With 20. I mean,
Peter John Moss and Reverend
that's it to call
also then Obeka
Bria, go to school by. So was yeah, I say, you didn't go to school by. Now, near Peter John Moss and near Reverend that's it to call because obey a Methodist of that time not your Methodist of it obey a Methodist of. And now Peter John Moss on so don't yet or so. Osan call Nikrum very inimisi memo. No, because he Anglican soft. Now nearby they say what did was we decided say we for here for as at school. Nti what the market found babra say what tibia. What the number saw then no preaching. Say Oba said the tibia babra. Now this is where people are. They first said they had a mission. Eti what one more thing be bia would you believe say that your most known headmaster ehun say kofo bebre ni kan yewo wonfi a wo disi compare obi o central market area compare obi o na some old sport be now what the year a central part of Ngoko na all the day students over church you bring who was sharing that improved us so you may be a one would be can you feel near the day no alcohol you know transition
in your own small way let us say one of them was school
no yeah second batch
come na mo fa so da any so edi kire won and I say mo fa so express more gratitude to the two of them.
That about the HG, then it do baby no need say no. As I say, it's not a fee. Yeah, indeed, can if fee also associations. Then earlier bit is a question no. I say come here. So for that to call. That I know our plans on temples. You come here. You know last. Nti da ko yin na agi bum ko na o to hwil mu do de buy
And it's not to him.
now was that 1990 na o hu ye they say any gem a bad name then let to but it seems you kais up your pen no we try to keep I have in those things it is to we in the bomb pie na name ka clear what it come. So Monday, I'm a pack that brigadier, you bought off your first school prefect. So I'm not a brigadier. The brigadier friend. Brigadier so who what is it do? I want rushing with my call. 37. I'm rushing there. Then I bought the part of okay. Is it? You visited Sunday, who Monday? As if he was waiting for us to come. In the same way, Peter John Moss, Oware, Ghana Navy. Now, maybe this man showed particular interest in me. And I was always thinking of him. Well, why he is Peter John Moss? About Ghana. It's a long time, for 40 years of doing the school. It's a year, we share the new yam, party war, the music hotel man, share the new yam, then, and he, when you Obiara, very wonderful. He could tell us the things that we were doing in school at that time. And then, because of the literary, you didn't know, then I told him, say, I was writing my biography. So he says, okay, fine. I'm very happy, say, I'm very editing. If I requested, and then he says, I'm very so happy, so I'm editing. No, I have a pension that time, but I have a pension, but also living duties for during time as often be work, and as often could leave, and then they go and leave them. So no, catch them say, it's really manuscript to come on, no, or editing to some point, not doing comments by. Okay, to occur living duties, you know, and then try after living duties, and then the rest. So we occurred living duties around July, August, September. Until October, when I sent my email, I didn't get any response. November, I sent them. I was sending emails, but that was strange. My friend phone now on fire. That was also strange. Then I kept my phone for some time, only to hear in January that he was dead and he had a brain tumor. He was struggling with brain tumor. Time now. But interestingly, me comments on the by, the way he felt about the things I was writing, and commendation, they have all been narrated in the book. And then it's been captured at the back of the book as a statement he had made about the book. I had the same problem. Professor Lotte had been our old friend.
Yeah, the late
the scientist, yeah. It was not known to a lot of people.
How did you meet him?
You share around making the world a better place. We're a group of top scientists. Oh, we are here. One more book I say science should never be used for war. One of them, Professor Ericsson, of Sweden, one of the top scientists in Sweden. And Professor Lotte, and Professor Ericsson is a respected scientist in Sweden. And we had campaigns against some Swedish companies. And the Swedish companies really just said, and then because Professor Ericsson knew Ghana, and he was coming to Ghana all the time because of Professor Lotte, the NGOs in Sweden agreed, because the government had also invested some of the Swedish monies in some of the companies. No one in some of the companies now. The government has invested in the state pension, so people held the government responsible. Then they needed a respected person to come and ascertain, say, their company can, and then they also can, and they chose Professor Ericsson. So he came to work. And that was how we came together. With Professor Ericsson, and by extension, Professor Lotte. So you might say we are promoting peace in the communities through non-violent approach to advocacy. So they got us together, became part of their network. And Professor Lotte, Professor said, show me will pay my debts. I said, that is my philosophy of life. That is what he said. So on true or forward. And then he was so happy, so true or forward. It was starting so true or forward. And now, offer me catch them say, we took one or ye, it took one no bar, no baby. Discuss it. Just send the email so to that effect. The book is very interesting, and so like he's traveling and so. When he sent the email, and he died in the journey. So that also had become part of the story in the book. And then this statement in the email that is sent to me has also become part of the recommendation.
It's in the long run, not to and the forwarding.
a young, very close friend. German, a very, very close friend. Michael Winfrey. Now, we have been friends for about 20 years. But the background, the baby own the first of the Johanna. Now he works for the UN. He's the deputy director of German Human Rights Institute, Reichstag, Germany. He's the deputy director. So, now I know he's very busy because of his work all over the world. I mean, he's doing a lot of whenever German investment, he's doing research on human rights violation. So, but I knew, say, Oyobia, if I tell him, so, on show forward. See, after professionality, he was the one that he also, and he has to read the whole book. And he knew us very closely.
Apart from autobiography,
Yeah.
and the articles I watch book Bernana, who might be viewed now. And then so we to the age of we have
Training manual for Waka. Now, many research documents. But in no, I have about 40 articles and features and what I've written. 40. And that books. We are joint books.
Okay.
And then I also have an anthology of 25 poems. 25 poems are like that. And sometimes I also write songs.
Sabri Waka anthology of poems there. And then your best read business in relation to Anyensama Huru Awachiro. Then I'll be careful a brabo, number tie and a left up in Nina.
Okay. Me fan say my brabo ni subia nam kwa sa
A singer,
ko street na ko gupu. Enti me fan say me wonder poem. The poem I've named the wondrous poems. 9407. Because I've gathered a lot of experiences. Now, one thing I remember is she who back and say, "No, say young woman say, what do you do, man? What do you do, man? My own, that's Dante. You may gain experiences. Yeah, but you know, they're coming. She who, and I don't know poems. We find the wondrous poems. The 25 poems.
and then I'll be careful the purpose of life. And I said, Brabon, number 10, and then day.
But my kind of Prof. Cassidy.
You.
The journey with a purpose. The hunter follows the trails of the prey in the roughness of the forest. The mariner travails the journey against the aggressive waves on the sea of no roots. But I struggle to find my way in a sea of troubles. I make my innocent steps as a toddler without guidance. I'm a wanderer with no direction in the course of my journey. I'm on a journey with twists and turns to find out why I'm on the journey. I hold on to the dogma of looking for the reason of my journey. Then, alas, my leg hits an obstacle of knowledge and my eyes opened. The hunter learns from the wisdom of his prey. The pain of my odyssey made me wiser. The wandering ended in a serendipitous discovery that I'm on this journey to find the purpose of the journey. To find the purpose. Now, Oshaya, we can say, the pain of my odyssey made me wiser. Odyssey, Tawan papa we ne chinchin no ne and then mukopi roko all the troubles made me wiser. My wandering ended in a serendipitous discovery. Serendipity. Sebia, and that there was said that said we discovery be so. Maybe I'm say Oh yeah, I could pee be more when you discovery.
As a discovery of penicillin.
By chance, discovery just a chance. And there's that I'm on this journey to find the purpose of the journey.
After finding out that the purpose of the journey is to find the purpose of the journey, what next?
So, as what can say, you will have never one by baby, as I said, give me who needs your boy. Into your boy. There's always a purpose of why we are here for every human being. You only need to find it.
But then soon Obeka fa say oh experiences be far fighting multinationals here and there in relation to contracts. Efa bibrim ho economic emancipation brofa kakraka ne ade nyina then na Obeka fa nti a ebibi man yeda so be bia irrespective of natural resources are who I am.
Okay. So, and then me sure be say our uninvited guests.
It's you.
They came uninvited driven by their interests. Their mission is camouflaged in the words of salvation. Their interests align with the lives within us. They look different, and so were their thoughts. They came not as visitors, but guests who had come to stay. They came to trade with us, but traded us. They came to live with us, but we lived their lives. They claim to be on the mission of peace, but they pierced our dignity. They claim to be here for our worth, but enslaved us for our wealth. They claim to live soon, but they have lived too long. Our fathers fought them when we became their goose. Our mothers cursed them when they stole their children. Our forefathers named them Abrofo for their cruelty against us, but our generation dignified their crimes. Our generation smiled where our forefathers wept. They came uninvited, but had planned to stay. They changed our royal status and we became their slaves. They exchanged our sense for their nonsense. They forced their names on us, on our kinsmen, yet we adopt their strange names with pride. They killed and raped our earth office resources, but they remained heroes in our minds and hearts. We peeled off our beautiful black skins with poison from their factories. We destroyed our pride and strived to be like them. They taught us to hate ourselves, and we took their lessons serious. Now,
Very deep.
we are people who pride ourselves when we look so foreign. So, the more we educated, the more now we are
Alien to your own
to our own society. And they taught us what to hate ourselves. In the sense that obi a wo town and I said you want to change it. Even for us flat nose, you want to change it to become something pointed to or pass to look. That's why I say that we can say they taught us to hate ourselves and we have taken their lessons serious.
Very good. Nti one a once woman to one who say once we were you may be twa eje any be in a mobro afo. So mobro afo kuya one am within so didi. Say yehwe wa you say be kafra enye sika na ma wani ji. Then so you obi no ho once we to say na what say wo ene mama no. And so yehwe cars akese a wodi dem and the brow boa, which means it doesn't resonate with the principles that Umu create. Then now the kind of financial funds. Oh, why you say?
Wait, I did back one. Me also for back. Until I did back one. I have my drink a cranny say, Obidi Yami. Not Nipotain, and say, or the young Pundin. Ebeye sikape idea how magi ebia na because we also for me here no we also for me can say we have the things that we but more with my present yes but say we both tiny say Only anything.
Edidi.
No, Eddie, Bayo skinny and I so the pool, you know. What people take God serious. If you say semester will be because around the young people with the can, who did the can. What the man and shade the war screen that you cry. Or share Yamina wouldn't have because people love God. And you know what the Yami? And you know, what one no more now. Why near ma anka and only because of the personal grammar. You don't got him go. Eti me trouble be foul because na enya de a me hwe me papa no sofo tete no na papa no ne sofo we nyina pray sorry for that person me say be am sorry but we share the modesty of the sofo na na the two you know a insie ni
Ma yintie ni wa tiro.
prophets of prophets. We heard and believed the assurance of blissful existence. We followed the multitude to their temple in complete obeisance. We hearkened and hurried to follow thinking you called us. We struggled to come, deceived that you have called us through your prophets. We arrived happy that we left the world behind us. We were led by those who claimed to love you and could not hide our joy that we followed them and believed everything was done in your name. In their presence, miracles turned to blasphemous drama. At their feet, your grace became a commodity for sale. In their temples, prophecies became heresies of deceit. At your holy place, they traded your name for profit. Now we are at your feet to know the truth. That profit in your name is their calling. Now we know that heresies and miracles are not from you. Now we know that you do not send them, they send themselves.
Self-explanatory. Then I become some who's
Owu ne nyinaa yɛbɛkɔ nti mefrɛ biribi our common exit sɛ woyɛ tenten o woyɛ fapempɔ o woyɛ tete o yɛn nyinaa na no na ɛkɛyɛ sɛ ɛmayɛ te ase sɛ so our common exit, just as our entry is not by choice, so is our exit. We can't have control and say, we are with the The routes to the exits of no return are many. The routes of exits are traversed not by choice or will. The powerful and the vulnerable have no right of choice of entry and exit. Just as the sun rises from the east on our entry, so shall it set on our exit. Knowledge of the routes to exit eludes kings and their servants. Say, obi a akwa na ohene bi eya da obi onim. Ohene so oto so da obi wusu onim. The same problem. He who knows his route to the exit of no return is counted lucky. If you get to know, said, I do it and then now you're a lucky person. Our entry is marked by the same cry of innocence as babies. When our journey of life separates us into kings and servants, we traverse different stations and different boarding. We take different routes to exit, but enter the exit gate as humble travelers. Stripped of our honors, we exit with no load to carry through the narrow gate. Stripped of our pride, we converge at the gate of no return as ordinary travelers. Stripped of our power, kings and servants alike obey the command to exit. In the haste, we are unable to make a choice of the route. And in the haste, we leave all behind to become ordinary travelers. Yes, ordinary travelers with a common exit. When you're supposed to go, are you going to pick the keys of your vehicles? No, you leave all of them behind. You are in haste to go. So we all pass through an exit where you can't have any road to go. You don't need anything. We hear the beer. And that is something that makes all of us the same. Become commanded to be here. And you leave and the command to go and leave everything behind. So between the entry of having nothing and the period that we live, I accumulated so much. The exit, we leave everything behind. And that is what I learned recently from Chuck Finney, this Irish American billionaire who has disposed himself of everything, 8.988 billion dollars. He's disposed everything. And just last 2 weeks, he signed the last amount of his $8 billion. He's now living in a very small apartment. And do you know what he said? He said, how many shoes do you need? How many yachts do you need? How many yachts do you need? And that he wants to make life simple for himself.
What would you say about the poor?
The poor,
In relation to the
in fact, the poor are made poor. From my own understanding, the poor are made poor. The most hardworking people are not the rich people, and the rich people are not the most hardworking people. Who are made poor. If you see how some people work very hard, so it's not that it's only people are poor because they're lazy.
So in relation to the book, then I'll be careful one. Also, we should organize the programs then which we hear since we hear that's one.
In the name of the poor, in our nation, poverty is an immortal jinx, surviving the rest of liberators, patriots, and democrats. Efforts to reduce poverty shamefully increases the numbers, and the poor are the justification for the decisions against the poor. The road to political power is rooted through the back of the poor. Political manifestos are conveniently decorated in the name of the poor. The increasing number of poor people become the key to power. They learn the drama of the poor and act to perfection for deceit. The political game ends up in a bad exchange and a robbery of rights. The poor are the vanquished and the victors vanish till the next drama. The scenes change, but the actors are the same in the storyline of deceit. And the title of the drama of deceit will remain in the name of the poor. In the name of the poor, poverty reduction is discussed without the poor. In the name of the poor, fortunes are spent at plush places to decide on the poor. In the name of the poor, we commit to a battle where the poor are shortchanged. In the name of the poor, fortunes are made to reduce poverty, but poverty worsens. In the present kind of say, we share politicians. One be beer, we can be say, here food. So, one coming to power, they ride on poverty, the language of poverty, and then they come embracing poverty for the people. Yes. And so, and with your conferences, they are your friend,
We are organizing a crowd.
The poor cannot be good.
Now, then I'll be careful. More fighting bad contracts in Africa. Hannah.
Right, we could share the control with Israel. That we call Nazareth. Now, maybe you could see, so say, Nazareth, name na yekura. So, the probably fee Nazareth about. And I also, me read in dream, yeah, you should be glad for. Say, I mean, you're told for. Say, we didn't cry. Now, let's say, Bia or be fat. Especially, say, even one young one some can pour. We try to trap with you. And that happens to be. Bia obey what being said. Obama, you could be a mine. Some Ghana oil, timber, cocoa, bauxite. Now, gold, now, you have want oil and fish. So, who decided to say, but can't quit? nkurɔfo bi de ba bɔne bi a wɔyɛ no wɔbɛkyerɛ wɔn anaasɛ wɔasi wɔn kwan a even sɛ wɔhwɛ a na wɔnya de pɛpɛ bi kora wɔbɛbɔ nkurɔfo paa de ntoro atoto so te sɛ deɛ ɛsii yesu mu nipa na ɔte hɔ a wɔbu yesu kumfɔ no kora sɛ I don't know. Me anything wrong with this person. But they have to find reasons to kill him. So, and it's true for today. And he said, oh, you are going to say, oh, but yeah, maybe for fame. So, maybe I will for fame. We're disappointed. Then we are not on the right path. What would your fame? Ubinya, Nuhuna, Uvu, threats. So, I mean, and now Binya, your fame now Binya. So, you know, when you eat just to ensure, say, somebody doesn't rise up, will be mad, will be to general, I'm on quarry. Or apprentice to say, people will general about quarry, born a senior. So, also, you know, I am called to say, yes, never born in that. So, see, will be our best set to home, so, but yeah, will be kind of great, why famous, why, no. What's swap cross?
Oja abasubo bebree abasubo dede yekan yi emu ne ewe na the humblest moment in your life abasubo a just ema wa ho brase no esan emutimi pa
in Denver 2006 April na many Roman father or Peru for the background. No, Ujira Kutia, Roman Catholic of Kutia, my Skesibi Pa, Etitia Gofo, Fahudiso. Now, what chili ye on the man? Not Kofuti de Chibuko. Ban death stress that. Obi a ɔne ne yɛ adwuma no bi then no akra na we are go no wafa nima bebree na me ne no kodi adwuma bi wɔ US Denver great demonstrations at the GT mining company New Mountain. If you know then American Indian movements now the mining companies were the mining companies say one name be green. My one penny for this kind of damn no me and they are fighting. And see, you really big a cranner, if you want a cranner, we say young call. Oh, young call American Indian one homelands. The beer, what?
It's American Indian one of the Aboriginal.
Yeah, they are the Aboriginals. One need the original people. And see, you call home. Don't know in say o share many for the Marco Alan o share one can say it's your quiet no ya bebre won share o to party kesi na won so be show be no nyama o drums akesi pa na nipa 4 the kitem representing the 4 corners of the earth now Obo ntwene kakra afi we raise now to
the
highest level. Many for the macro hey gina won fifi na American Indians to all professors all free and they fighting for their cause. That we gina won di na fighters gina na wait na we be share no nyam we na hand moving willing name be odo san me very beautiful things na what they go yenso and what they one sir willing odo san me no e go me for the background e go so e scapans enti wakaso yenkasa so fada yenkasa ti wakasa no kaisi oyo osofo tama wodi kaso go no so atenga onyae no na tiki onyaye. In fact, what this are you go so onya the same atinka. He had the same feeling when he was doing the Catholic or taking off near the day. You go so. Now, as one person can say, if you see to me, as well as to me, they say, you should say, but corporate bodies, mining company, corporate bodies near them, who to me, they have money, they have power, they have almost a lot of power. But won't to me, if you see to me, if you see to me, he to me, they say, he to me, I want to say, so it looks big and powerful, but there's no strength in it. But it takes ordinary people like us. It means expose you and say to be being. In fact, it was an experience when you pray, summarizing the whole thing. Because we have fought powerful people, giants with money. At a certain point, I say, if we say they can, with bit of tea also, over Shemo, like a click. Now, and it is true. People with wrong money, I would say, I'm not saying every money is wrong, no, sure. But people who get dirty money, and they do so powerful. If you see too, I want him. When it's a sheer, the quality, sure. Beautiful. You see, it was a day, one of the days in my life I felt, you feel say, what do you call it? Feeling, man, I felt very different.
Inner satisfaction.
To be in the homeland of American Indians, for them to recognize and honor. It's so humbling.
What about MDU and Maritime and Dock Case Union? Inner satisfaction, them pana when you're there for sale, be General Secretary.
I must indicate, sir, General Secretary, I had my whole life.
Serendipity, yeah.
I mean, I was interested. Somebody read it and said, oh, see, never see. I never thought so. I didn't like it. I felt I should do my small thing to the society. I had my own life. And I was not really okay with it. People called on me that there were problems and I should remember. And I was pushed into it because I felt say, maybe I had also the service. Not about anything. And not about anything at all. All the time, that I was someone say, that I didn't kind of be innocent because it's not our money. It's not, if for anything at all, I was making a lot of sacrifice. But when it got to a point, to even two, in terms of Terminal 3, Meridian Post Service Meridian Post Service Terminal 3.
AMPS.
Now, a lot of advocacy skills were needed to have campaigns. They already had campaigns in the Long Report and also Wrong Port, and then yet, and also one. Then I started seeing, say, oh, probably God prepared me for these things. Because I a big issue for the country. Some can say power for the nation. Young Akubia, you need it. But maybe a media baby, you are wishing. So, Brian, I mean, the man. The moon someday, a baby. Another chapter. Writing another book. But the way person can say ye Ghana ha ye say ye to be say or representing ye ade da no. O see a nine non protecting ya. People should take it serious. And you na amount opportunity. Men say no. Because at that time, even though you are alone there, you are over here, you are 1 year. The way to remember so I'm a Ghana and a mofra in that chimney. To be a, I think I'm able to say, will be able to yourself or sign contract with my Ghana. Don't go and make us Ghana. Shebre. When you are a lot of contracts now, make kind contracts now. Let me be some who say, and Nasu, Nipa a sign contract. Nasu, or you be a different educated person. As if say in the Kata no depend in see so. So don't read the sign. I'm exposed to a lot of contracts. We are very exposed. That said, who had them and who? The way people have raped this country of all the resources. Now share Abofrebia out online and you find 10 o'clock by the street. So then you ask yourself, say, nah, such people are where yes, I'm in here. Emma, how much could do even more fast? That's all breeds. All their heads are made of bones. Yeah, bones. It means they have their brains don't connect with their heart. There's no connection between their brains and their heart. If you see the things that some people will do to rape this country. So, now, I don't know, say, be nothing. Fight here. Even the sources that you make require, you see that you are just scratching. Some of the issue. It is a Macron young we are saying. Say, Oshe, Nema, you bit Mama, I'm on only 4, Sabi above 4. But chef your memo, I have born watching. Obonifini memo, Sabi Sabi Guyaba. Guya for another country. Now, Oshe, Nema, you be boy, who be a triangle. Because you want some land cruiser. I call them twice. So you reduce national interest to the level of say, giving you money to buy a toy. If OSCE national interest for personal interest, that's how it is. The amount of money you help somebody to take away or fee or money, and then what you will get, which will make you a big man in Ghana and you pride yourself, it's like giving you money to buy a toy. And that is what is happening in the world today, in our third world. So that's why with all the resources, sometimes you pray to God, say, never know enough, more. Because the more you see, the more opportunity. As it been you are making American Indian movement the year of the chairman. When I came back, you know what I did to it? I gave it to my wife as a gift. Wow. I loved the thing so much, and I treasured it, so I gave it to her. Because without having this level of connection, it's like we are made to work together.
Naturally, by nature.
Yes. If I had a wife, I maybe could see her, also could see her. And she also had a husband. So we all have the same worldview. I wanted her
basically, and I said fundamentally, a football and I didn't chef our.
Oh, the American say, marriage is a serious business.
Is it a business?
Well, a business in terms of the it's like it's not funny serious.
Okay.
I mean, my attitude is that you go into it slowly and grow it.
Very deep.
The problem I have today is the thing that the whole marriage is about there, how expensive the wedding can be. We will not contribute to the whole thing, to the whole success of the marriage. But we spend so much time and money on it. But I think that we should go into it understanding how taking into consideration say the kind of personality, the kind of your worldview. So yeah, I'm robber, but what I'm robber. I'm robber, but what I'm robber.
In other words, you attract who you are.
Yes. But the complication is that sometimes you may not even be able to understand know the person very well. You will need to take time. You need to take time to understand. Say, in the worst case of that person, is it something you can tolerate? The worst case of the person. But when people go beyond thresholds of beating people and molesting them, that's what that one is. Then the threshold, we have crossed the threshold. And you know, I feel say a lot of say over warrior, it goes with say over to one now what the kind of personality I will take it on as a lifelong partner. Some personalities, if we don't, so we the wedding no become the most important
Aspect of our life.
activity I want to go married without say understanding whether you even share common views of life. There will surely be some differences. Anyway, that one. So the views of life, there are some things you can't compromise. If you hold a strong view about something, you cannot compromise on. And also to see how he made the other partner should be. If we be only a humo bro, ultimately it will be paid. Person should be very humane. Even in anger, plan issue. I saw one say in the bufu mukurabono. Or tima. But we all know they say there are some people that are so expectative say we are the you and the expecting. We are the cool, we are the expecting. If we will be so our own expectation from the word go, I mean it's a basic understanding from Munya. He doesn't know say me expectation outside the nice and the be your best expectation, including the spouse. And I'm going to papa expectation. Is I mean there's a lot to and because some people are just in the marriage, they are cohabiting, but they're not married. The situation like that. I won't come back, but no, the right sense of it.
Na akwada Ghana ene bibrim adwumayefo pepedoma nkoma no den na obeka de afa eye adwumayefo ena afa nyumawura no nkita hode
the sister adwumayura bia bi say nyumawura bia nye eka wo ha o do so adwumayefo mo hoka mo ye ka adwumayura bia nye ka adwumayura kriti ska so adwumayura kriti we well creator kriti ska na o titi ya kare nyina na ne ebeka no afi ya wa mo wechero wo a wo di sika ba ni o so so creative sika ba to creative ba fu ni chibla adane manso but some people see workers as cost. They are well creators. So the 10,000 cities now the to one. I say be a fee I'm used to now one day I'm multiplied Ghana to be not so close. And now the will be also say Ethiopia. I saw all this scalability when you are the level of energy to be able to work. And so, what be a time? No, what you da? So, why you could feel what homie? It is kind of would be channel. It's gonna be now, beside the a support to know, not a bit one. If we now we shouldn't think that who forbid you now. Why papa? So it went both ways. Say we need him and we also him. It is if the matters are we ensure say the welfare workers will be treated. You make sure say yeah omo nya ho fa so libi. Ma yeah fekra so bo say worker utumpo. So it shows that like I was talking about you asked about marriage. Let's be human. What being white just will be out some year in pipe, and as you treat somebody as an animal. It's you need each other. Make a year you will be obey or be catching the missing. That need to be taught handkerchief farmer. Or not be under. We go acquire us. It tells you about the kind of relationship that exists between them. That or look be handkerchief. Or no better ko akuma malawi. How can you treat somebody the closest person to you like that? And I was talking about the first thing that came into my mind when I had this American Indian for the gym. Just a thing. But the first thing that came to my mind was that I should honor my wife for it and give it to her. Sure. Because of the value I put on her. So if 360 degrees, if you value something, that's what you should do. You can't treat people who are close to you like that. Say, hey. I say a day, I mean, to be a day. Whether we are having workers, whether we are whether we are papa.
Then Ubeka a traton, a actually I want to actually super the Dumankuma. I feel no worry shabra by seeing.
I say, church or the market ticket. Oh, can I want to see some trade and say, we live in 3 generations. So we are living on the legacy. Now, on the legacy of the previous generation. So, and then we know we are in a current generation. But we should also contribute to the next generation. If we don't contribute to the next generation, if people didn't contribute, say, young generation they have nothing to live on. So we should have hope in the future and then live in the hope of the future by doing something that will help the next generation. Bia over. I said, Uju say, and then might be a part of the next generation. If you have invested in young people, then you are investing in the next generation. You have contributed to support somebody's education. You have contributed to preparing for the next generation. And you are becoming, even though you die, you will be part of the next generation. There will be somebody after your death who will say, it was Papi Pong. Say, Papi Pong, I cannot go to school. Say, Papi Pong, I have this idea. Then you are part of the next generation. And then we should not always think of just now. Prepare in me. Now, and let's expand into the future. Because we will destroy everything. That's what we are doing now. Selfish generation. They're good. You don't have the next generation. They were oil. Into me. That's all. And then the next. And then people who lived many years ago thought about minimum. And that's why today we have a road. We have a motorway. It's we're living in the previous generation. Somebody thought of us. We should also think about other people. come.
That's it. I'm saying, but it's a simple here. And so, another, I'm saying, I don't come on to know what kind of simple, so you're true, what's like a calm. I'm saying, in Yanchi Mobile, and you better was it. When you're brave, am I? Na omanga de she monso yada masese monya ya hombre abrabo fa pempo dwumade no bani si yere kukuru mpo ni ebaso ya ha na yede enede ne besi ema mo nyina mo ni hwe ama mo ni tia